If you know, you know. Hanggang ngayon, may stock pa rin po ako neto. 1,600 pieces pa. And ito naman, 300 pieces pa po. Pa-expire na ulit to. So, season 2 na po tayo. Season 2, season 3, ilang season na ba to ng mga pa-expire na Series A products. So, if awa na lang sa amin, napagawi kayo sa live selling, please check out our Series A Peel Exfoliate po. Meron pa akong 300 sets neto. If you're looking for products na pwede pong mag-rejuvenate sa face po ninyo, if you're a fan, if you support whoever the owner of these products, please check out po sa amin para kahit papano makabawas sa lugi. By the way, I'm giving this bagsak presyo. Normally, don't do bagsak presyo. But since I can see this is part 3 na ng mga bagsak natin. So, this one is 380 pesos, but you can get this one for 249 pesos na lang. Ito naman, this is 350 pesos, but you can get it sa live selling ko ng discounted, and meron pa kayong makukuhang 5 FDA notified soap, which is ganito po kadami. Hashtag never forget. Love you all. If you know, you know.